Okay everybody, Dr. Rick here. Thanks for joining us again. Today our project is actually replacing the front lawnmower wheels. Here we got a Craftsman. I think it was the 6 3/4 horse, self-propelled. Let me see what the model number was here. 917.376403 was the model number. The wheels are worn out. The new mower is way overpriced, and Craftsman wheels are way overpriced. So we bought these ones at Amazon. It's supposed to be direct replacements. They do have a different part number. We're going to see if they fit, but you can read below. We'll have that all listed for you, what part number we had and where we found them. So basically what we need here is a 9/16 wrench. Another thing we actually did before we got started, disconnect the spark plug wire. Make sure you're not going to start nothing here. So it was hard finding the model number on the wheels, but we ended up finding it. I should say through a lot of research, so it looks like it's pretty good. Much cheaper to do this here. We got a little over 20 bucks into the, it was 22 bucks for new wheels, and the mower still runs really good. Okay. So, pretty simple project. As you can see, we still had pretty good teeth. We're not dealing with nothing except replacing the bolt and putting it right back in the drive spot. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and set it back on the ground. You want to come here and give me a hand? Start it up, make sure everything works good.
Spark plug.
Yep, good point. Put the spark plug back on. Of course, lawnmowers getting pretty expensive nowadays, so what we have here is a quick fix. It's 20 some bucks. Keep the lawnmower going for a few more years. Awesome. Good way to save some money. Put in some vacation time with the family. Anything like that would be awesome too. Hey, thanks for joining us. Remember, like, subscribe. Positive feedback is always appreciated. And thank you to Michigan Boy and American Mate for their help with the video processing, and they're doing a good job learning how to mix and match all these videos and cut them, paste them, and get it going. So thank you guys. Talk to you on the next program.